Hi there, it's Adam with WebStarts, and today I want to tell you a little bit about what are called backlinks. Now, backlinks are the little links that come from other people's websites back to your website. Those are important because they're what you need to get good ranking on Google. More or less what Google does is they look at sites that link to your website. They look at the content that's on that website, and most importantly, they look at the keyword or phrase that's in that link. Or that's a big part of their algorithm, the way that they determine what a web page or website is all about. So if you have links coming to your website from other websites, those are called backlinks. And there's two types of backlinks. One is called follow, the other one is called no follow. Follow is the type of link that when it comes from another website will actually pass you what is called link juice, which is a little bit of search engine juice that will help you get better rankings. And the other one, no follow, basically means that that website, if it links to you, isn't passing you any link juice. So a typical use for a follow link would be anybody that's writing a blog or an article and just wants to link to your site. That's just a regular link, basically, is a follow link. Now, you would have to go out of your way to create a no follow link. Google recommends this as a best practice to people who are either selling links or advertising or have set up a link to your website for any other reason that is kind of commercial. So it's their way of trying to manage spam. Google kind of acts like they're the god of the internet, and they make all the decisions about what's relevant, and they make the rules, and they really set the rules up to benefit them. But anyway, that's the system that they use. So when you're talking about search engine ranking and you want to climb up the search engines, the main thing you need to focus on are getting backlinks, links from other websites to your website. Whether they're follow or no follow, I don't really think it makes a difference. You want your link profile, or in other words, the links that come to your site, to look natural to Google. So you wouldn't want one or the other to be disproportional. So you wouldn't want a ton of follow links and no follow links, and you wouldn't want a ton of no follow links and just a few follow links. They're going to be kind of 50-50-ish probably, or actually about 70% of your links probably going to be just regular links, which are follow links. But anyway, that's a quick story about backlinks, a little bit of information about what they are and how you can use them to get better search engine ranking. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment on this video. I'll jump in there, I'll respond to it. Subscribe to my channel at WebStarts on YouTube. Visit webstarts.com to make your very own free website and see more helpful videos like this.